So this is my Animal Crossing house tour. It's not finished. I don't think it ever will be, but this is what it looks like right now, and sorry if it's kind of choppy. I don't own a game capture card, which is really expensive, so I had to just use the Switch built-in 30-second screen record. So this is basically just a bunch of 30-second videos put together, but it's what I have to work with. So let's finally start the house tour. I felt like this was part of the house tour. It's kind of like my backyard area, but I just thought it was so cute, so I had to include it. But yeah, this is just like my backyard sort of hot spring and all of the cherry blossom recipes that I could find, because I didn't get all of them, sadly. That's my little gong. I really like it. I love it. And it's like that bamboo doll that like pops out. It's so cool. I love it. And all like the bamboo trees. Okay. This is my house. I'm probably going to change the roof later on, but for right now that's what it looks like. Checking my mail. Yesterday was Sunday, so I bought some turnips, and Gulliver was on my beach, and I helped him. I got some more furniture that I already owned, but I bought more. Zucker gave me a letter, sent me a letter. And that's what I got from Gulliver. A Dala horse. Look at it. So cute. I don't know where to put it, but I'll figure it out. And Daisy May gave me some bamboo shoots. Okay, so this is, I don't know what to call it, I guess a living room. I don't know, but I'm probably gonna change it to something else later on, because I'm not very happy with it, but this is all the music that I own right now. Look at these cute little Russian dolls. I love interactive furniture. It's my favorite. And you can actually customize these Russian dolls to look like different Russian dolls, like different characters. I have a cute little Zen cushion. I have this like kotatsu table. I think that's what it's called. It's like a teapot, and then I have like I think that's a cartoonist set on the table. And I need more tables in general and like shelves to put all of this extra stuff that I have lying on the floor, because I don't know where to put it. And I want all these things, but they're all on the floor and it bothers me. Moving on to the bathroom, there's not much in it. I don't have that many bathroom things, but I'm definitely gonna fill it up with more later on, and I want different colored bathroom furniture as well, or at least for some of them. But here's my toilet, and I love how it flushes. I think that's so funny. And as you can see, it's my little bathroom sink. I actually love that bathroom sink, and my little ironing set. And I want a pink washer instead of this blue one, so if anyone has a pink washer, they want to trade for a blue one. And my little bathtub that's like steaming. I love it. And as you can see, I'm so over like bunny furniture. Like I didn't like basically any of the bunny stuff, but I just need tables, so I put that bunny table in there. Here is my bedroom. I love it so much. It's so cute. It's my little futon. I love the futon. I have like a pink incense and a pink diffuser, like just both. A little homework set, as if I do homework. But yeah, I just love the wallpaper, the flooring, a little cork board on the wall. I think this room is just so adorable. I love it so much. Here's my wardrobe. It's such a cute, I mean, all this furniture is like cute wardrobe, as you can see. It's called a cute wardrobe. This pink fan, it's so cute. You can like turn it on and it moves. I love interactive furniture. And I love this like fluffy rug on the floor, that white one. It's in the shape of a cloud. There's my hamster. There's my little cute chair, my cute vanity. I can like change my appearance every day. Accessory set right there. And that's like my workbench, as you can see. And I have a cute radio, pink and white one. I just love the color scheme of this entire room. Here is my living room, like my official one. It's so cute. I have a cute sofa. That's like what it's called, cute sofa. And I have a cute heart rug, a TV. Look at that. It actually plays like different channels every time I come. Like every day I think it plays different channels. And sometimes it'll play like a Japanese channel, and it has Japanese on the TV. It's so cool. I love it. And I have this like fish flag, that's what it's called, I think, on the wall. A little wooden chest. I have just like a ton of like cushions and like little baby chairs. I don't know where to put them. I'm probably gonna change the layout of this room, most likely. Wardrobe. I have a painter set and a nail kit on the floor. I need a table to put them on. I'm in a plant. You always need plants. Oh, I also have mom's cake on the table right there. Moving on to my kitchen. I still need a lot more kitchen furniture, but for now this is what I have, and it's still so cute, so adorable. I love just the theme overall, the color scheme of everything, and how pink is integrated into everything, basically. I have a water cooler, a spice rack, toaster, blender, dish rack, knife block, rice cooker. I have a mixer, cutting board, pot rack, kitchen scale, my cute little pink refrigerator. You can change your clothes in the refrigerator. I actually have a strawberry protein powder shake on the table, you know, gotta get those gains, even in Animal Crossing. Actually, a lot of the villagers that are like jocks are obsessed with just gaining muscle, and they talk about it every day. But yeah, this is basically my kitchen. It's still a work in progress, but it's so cute. I have a steamer basket on top of the refrigerator, if you can see, and a peach rug. Oh, I love it so much. I am obsessed with the kitchen, and I can't wait to fill it up with more furniture, and so it looks like more of like a legit kitchen. So that concludes my house tour. I hope you enjoyed it and liked my house. Maybe it gave you some inspiration even. I think I'll make another one later on when I change up my house some more, but thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.